Welcome to my channel ho. Gandang biho. February 2, 1987 ito ang binabasa ko. Volume 1. O daughter, all I ask from you is love. My Father created you because His love. He gave His only Son because of love. I suffered for you and died on the cross for love. I saved you from dying because of love. So why do some of you hate me and persecute me? Are you hating me because of my given laws and preventing you to live free and fall into rebellion? Have you perhaps not heard of me because no one was there to teach you? Thus developing your own laws, languishing for earthly wealth and pleasure, following your own inclination. Nasabi ko na ito yung puro kamunduan ho. Na wala ho tayo iniisip kundi puro kamunduhan. Lahat yun ay puro kasalanan. Ito, dumating na ho tayo dito na, basa ko na ito. Languishing for earthly wealth and pleasures, following your own inclinations. Pansarili ho lamang lahat eh. Children, beloved ones, this is the beginning of your hatred for me. It is because you do not know me. Come then and meet me. I am love. Believe in me. If you tell me that you do not know me, I tell you that I knew you before you were born, and I have consecrated you. If you tell me that you hate me, I tell you I love you. If you have sinned, I have forgiven you. If you have profaned my name, I have shown my mercy on you. If you have wounded me, I still love you and offer you to share my kingdom in heaven. And in spite of your iniquities, I forgive you fully. Maliwanag ho na kahit anong kasalanan gawin natin, patatawarin pa rin ho tayo dahil mahal tayo ng Diyos. Ano mang ginawa natin, ay naghihintay pa rin siya na magkusa ho tayong bumalik sa Kanya sa katotohanan. Pagkat inaanyahan na tayo magsisi, bumalik sa Kanya at kalimutan ho anumang kamunduhan dahil yun ay isang malaking kasalanan na inilalayo natin ang ating sarili sa Kanya. Dahil tinubos na tayo ng Kanyang dugo, nagpakapasakit dahil sa ating mga kasalanan, magising na tayo sa katotohanan. Languishing for earthly wealth and pleasures, following your own inclinations. Yung hubang nice life eh, kamunduhan ho yun, halos kamunduhan yun eh. Okay lang kung kakain ka restaurant, tapos uwi na ka agad. Tulog. Pero kung saan sa ka pupunta, maglayay clubbing, Labag na ho yung sa kalooban ng Diyos eh. Dahil nakakagawa tayo ng bagay na hindi maganda. Dito ho sa February 2, 1987, I am here, it is I, Jesus Christ. Let me dictate to you, daughter, my words. Hear me now and discern me. Paragraph 3. My blood was shed for your salvation. I was on earth in flesh. I lived among sinners, healing the sick and raising the dead. I have not forsaken you, for I am still among you, healing you. Come to me to be heard. I will raise your souls to me. I will teach you to love me and to love one another. If you are weak, my strength will sustain you. If you are lost, I will be there and show you the way. My law is a law of love. Follow it. By following it, I will open your hearts to be able to receive me. I will inspire you. I will teach you how to love, how to forgive, how to be holy and live holy. Come then, beloved ones, come and learn from me. I am love. I am peace. I am mercy. I am meek and humble. I am forgiveness. I love you all. Walang katupasan ho ang kanyang pagtawag sa atin. Nagsusumamo na nga ako na bumalik tayo sa kanya. Kung mabubuhay man ho tayo, dapat sa tama, hindi sa mali. Hindi labag sa kanyang kauluban, hindi labag sa kanyang mga batas. Dahil doon tayo nagkakasala eh. Nilalayo natin ang ating sarili sa Diyos. Dito ho sa February 1, 1987, babalikan ko lang, isisingit ko lang ho ito. Maiksi lang naman ho ito. I tell you that your life on earth is but a passing shadow, but your life in heaven is for eternity. There you will live eternally near your Creator in His glory. For let me remind you that you are His own children. Siya lumikha sa atin. Wala namang iba. I tell you that your life on earth is but a passing shadow, but your life in heaven is for eternity. We come and go, we live and die. Kung gagawa tayo ng isang bagay, ay naaayon sa kanya kauluban. Pagkat kung puro mali ang ating gagawin, labag sa kanyang kalooban, isang malaking pagkakasala ho yun. Habang nabubuhay ho tayo, gumawa tayo ng mabuti. Huwag mo tayong gagawa ng masama o labag sa kanyang kauluban. Uulitin ko ho, dapat magsimba tayo, magsisi. At kung magsisimba ho tayo sa Catholic Church, tapusin ho ang buong misa. Hindi yung pupunta ka lang doon, papasok ka Pumasok ko nga, mag-aantanda ka lang, magsasign of cross, lalabas ka naman. Ano yun? Wala akong saysay yun. Mga Katoliko. Ito na ang oras, panahon para magsisi. Gumawa ng buti. Dahil ulitin ko sa inyo, hindi ho magtatagal ang kanyang pagbabalik. The second coming is already at hand. At yun ho, hindi mapopospon ho yun. Pagpalain ito yung Diyos sa mamapangya sa lahat. Ang pagdadasalo ay pakikipag-uusap sa Diyos. Walang ibang paraan para makausap natin yung Diyos kundi ang pagdadasal. Pray our Father. Pray Hail Mary. Glory be. But the most is pray the Holy Rosary. Hindi yung puro amen, amen. Maraming salamat po. Please, palawakin ho natin itong true life in God. Mag-share ho tayo para maraming makaalam, maraming makarinig, maraming makapanood. Subscribe and share. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi.